through Tuesday.
Good morning, CTP. We have another test this week. The neighbor is going to hear the RWT, so let's go ahead and do this.
Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York.
Uh-oh. There. We'll do it there.
Expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday.
There you go.
This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding in tone alert systems.
Can't see. There we go.
During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow.
Good job, 300. 5-minute and 15-minute event.
Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day.
Screen.
Repeating, this was a test of the specific area
What
message.
the hell? Did you activate? No, you didn't. Oh, come on. Alright, well, 120 DSP decides not to activate this week, so... Alright then. Other than that, that was a good test.